Hello, my name is Angela. I've just completed a We the Medicine retreat in the beautiful, idyllic Costa Rica. As an experience, it's been absolutely fantastic, life-changing for me. I feel absolutely amazing now. I'm literally floating on clouds. The week has been created in a beautiful way by David Price, and we've had a fantastic environment here where it's a very sort of safe and supportive environment for us to go on our personal healing and growth journeys. I've met some fantastic people. We're all very different, and that's been amazing as part of this experience. The food has been completely delicious. The workshops and sessions that are put on for us have been absolutely amazing. There isn't anything that I can't speak highly about. I would 100% recommend for you to come here if you are looking to heal your inner child, and if you're looking for personal growth, then I think this is a magical experience for you to be a part of.